Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday, early afternoon here at Vancouver Airport, and we're over at Avis. And let's just take a look at what kind of cars they got available for a Monday. Monday, it's actually been really busy here, but Avis does seem to have a fair number of cars. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click the like button there. And we're just going through the first aisle at Avis. Let's go over to these are the main two aisles here. So let's just kind of quickly tour through these. And then we've got a couple Chevy SUVs down at the end. Got a Suburban, GMC SUV, Grand Cherokee. Got another Traverse here, similar to the ones at the end there. We got a Durango, Tacoma. Got a Toyota Prius. Got a Ford Escape. And Jeep Compass. BMW SUV. It looks like one of these newer Cadillac XT4s. BMW looks like an X3, and a Mercedes C300 down here at the end. And if we go over to the other side here, we got a GMC SUV and other of these Cadillacs. Actually, they look like they might even be new. We got a Buick SUV. Got a Traverse. And we got a Palisade. Jeep Compass. And we got somebody taking that BMW there. Oh, X5 it was. All right, you can kind of see some of the returns over there, or the overflow. We got another Escape here. I think this one's a Santa Fe. Got a Dodge Caravan. One of these smaller, I think 220 BMWs. Other of these Buick SUVs. Santa Fe. Another Santa Fe. Down here, let me see if I can get into a couple of these. Video is short enough here that we can probably pop in. Is this Buick SUV newer? Enclave. I don't know, I have a feeling these are probably locked, but oh no, it's not locked. And, oh, 35,000 on it, okay. And then this is, it's got the extra row seats in the back, sunroof. And what else was I I was gonna pop into one of those Cadillacs if I can. Just hang on with me here. I'll scoot down to the end of the aisle here. Oh, looks like there's a Sienna minivan over in the returns. You don't see that very often. It's a U.S. car, okay, Washington plates. And let me just take a peek at this Palisade if it's open here. This might be a little bit newer. Oh, it's locked. I have a feeling the Cadillac's probably locked too. Let me wander down. The Cadillac's locked. That'll probably wrap it up for us here. Yeah, the Cadillac's locked. It's got the sunroof on there. And it should be an XT4, 350T. All right, beside this GMC Acadia. I think that's going to wrap us up here. Again, Vancouver Airport, early Monday afternoon. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Click that like button if you want to see more of these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.